What's up, everybody, man? It's your boy Jay Bricks, man. We out here, man, in beautiful Miami, man. You know what I'm saying? So, came out here for work. So I hadn't had a chance to really upload anything. I've been busy, man. Had a lot of stuff going on, but yeah, man, we're gonna try to see what we could get out here, get into out here. I know a lot of people out here, man, in Miami, so we're gonna try to link up with some people, you know, and yeah, get it popping. You know what I'm saying? My face, I put oil on my face, and my face look greasy. I got a haircut finally, man. I had to get that done. But things are moving, man. Things are moving along. I'm so happy I got this job. So y'all coming along on the journey on this. Man, this drive was ridiculous. 20-hour drive, man, from San Antonio to Miami. So we out here, and it's beautiful, man. Beautiful weather. It's supposed to be like 85 all week. It's hot. I got my shorts on. I ain't gonna play with them. You know, shout out to the boy Cole, you know what I'm saying? We out here repping, man. We repping, bro. So, but yeah, let's get it popping. And then just had breakfast. I'm about to go get ready right now and we'll relax for a little bit, actually. We're going to leave for work in a little bit. But yeah, come along, man. We're going to check it out on a journey, you know what I'm saying? Man's working. So, but yeah, I'll let you in a little bit. Been too long. God damn, that's my uncle. What the fuck, bro? It's real life right now. For your birthday, yes.
No kids?
No kids. We're gonna wild the fuck out. I cannot wait till you get down here. No, you did good, bro. You're good, bro. With the calamari. That's Melina's favorite. She loves calamari. Yeah. Don't worry, baby. You're coming down here. You're coming. Don't.
Give me the clippers, I said.
Wait till I write this shit on Yelp. You out of there. Yeah, it's lit. Get it! Exactly. Yeah, bro.
Those would have been packed. You couldn't get those.
Hard one. With the blue, that blue is hard as fuck.
We used to do this as kids. You remember that?
Yeah. Yeah, bro. Out here. My man's. I had to bring my coworker, Pat. I'm over here at Dutch Spot. Just touched down. Every time. Gotta hit the Jamaican food. Every time. You know what I'm saying? So much. I'm gonna show y'all what's up. Shout out to Dutch. Guess what I'm gonna get? I gotta get the oxtails. Gotta get the oxtails. On top. Yeah. Good soul food. I'm not gonna be shit for the rest of the day. Oh, with the back, man. You know what I'm saying? Bust it.
That's special.
You know what I'm saying?
Rice. One with
Man, so at the beach, man. Yeah, so I hadn't had a chance to really record a lot. I put a lot of stuff on my Snapchat. Yeah, gotta show y'all this, man. I want y'all to be a part of this. This is a reflection of it. I come to the ocean, I always reflect, clear my mind, get back right, know where I'm at, know what my purpose is. It's the best feeling ever, man. I'm a Pisces, so I feel like water is like part of me. It's therapeutic. I don't know if y'all can even hear me. It's probably loud. It's therapeutic. It's nice. What'd you think, Pat? Got my coworker. Nice. Yeah. You know, he don't want to get in the water. I don't know if I'm gonna get in the water. I just need to put my feet in.
Damn.
Yeah, but we out here, man. Miami, man. know what I'm saying? We still got a couple people that we gotta go link up with, meet up with, man, try to get some action. So I'm gonna keep y'all posted on that. I'm gonna let y'all know something soon because I gotta make sure everybody's available. I know they're gonna be down for it, man. Everybody in Florida is dope, man. They love it. The car scene in Florida is crazy. Whoa! Okay, all right. I got wet. Yeah, but yeah. So give thanks, man. Gotta give thanks. I'm happy. Thankful that I was stopped being lazy, stopped procrastinating. I started a YouTube. Very happy that everything's moving where it's supposed to go. So, you know, it's progress. So this right here is perfect timing for a reset. And then just know, you know, my vision I have for the cars that I want to get. And then just, you know, I'm so happy I started working at this place. It's awesome, man. I love that I can travel. I love traveling, so. But yeah, man, take this stuff in. I always love coming to the beach, man, to clear my head, man, so. Figure out things, unpack things, you know what I'm saying? So, it feels amazing. Look at this view, man. I always get seashells from my kids. There you go. I can't focus. It ain't much. I always find seashells for my kids. Oh my God. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. Go to Ape Shit Garage, man, on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Or look up JJ Bricks. Like and subscribe. Show your boy some love. Let's get this shit popping. Oh, what the fuck? Gotta stand in the water and pray. Thank him for everything. Ask for forgiveness for all the other things, bad things. Thank him for the good and the bad, not just the good. The bad is the lesson that you need to learn. Move forward. So. What's up, man? So we back right now. Came back to the house trying to get some more work done. But we want to go over some things and talk to y'all because I've been busy, didn't get a chance to really document a lot of the stuff that I was doing. But man, basically, man, I'm so excited, bro. The motor's looking really good. And you know, we got the shop now, as you can see. So we have the shop and we have the surprise I'm about to show y'all right now. But this is happening. I'm excited. You know what I'm saying? Like we're putting it in fruition. We're not just talking about it. But make sure y'all like, subscribe, man. Make sure y'all go in the comments and show some love. Try to share so we could try to get this out there because, you know, this stuff's about to start picking up. Stuff's starting to take off. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want y'all to be along with the journey. So I'm excited. Can't stop saying that enough. I'm very excited.
Places to where I could use it.
Yeah.
Most of it's just going to be a lot of lasering, so.
Yeah.
A good alternative would be a steam cleaner.
Yeah. No, dude, that came out really good.
Oh, they're here for, they're going to have some.
Man, we need to do a montage of this. This is crazy. But yes, so update, everything is literally in motion, man. I'm happy. I can't be more happy with the motor. The motor came out insane, so I want y'all to take a look at that. I didn't get a chance to really do a lot of talking. You know, I really wanted to start showing more and, you know, so you guys can see, so I'm not talking your head off. But the process is really, it's awesome. It feels good to actually get this and get the jitteries out of my system and actually feel comfortable getting familiar with the camera. I had bought a DJI Ronin, so I'm about to get a camera set up for myself too, so that way I can have it. But Dorian, he already has his setup. He has the exact same Ronin. It's crazy because when he bought his, I bought mine the same day, and we didn't even know that we were buying it. But so it's dope. So I'm not Dorian. I think Dorian has one too, but Carl has one. Sorry. So I want to make sure that we all. I want us to all grow together. I want you guys to see exactly, the process and what it takes and what we're going through. And yeah, man, this is real. This is real. I'm lost for words a little bit because it's just like last year was hard. Last year was really hard. It really felt like the past 4 years was difficult, but last year was a tough one. But it's okay. God gives you challenges. You gotta overcome. You gotta know how to move forward, find the positive out of every negative. You can't just sit there. Can't just, let stuff consume you and just give up. Can't give up. Never give up. Make sure that you guys have a plan and, go for it. It's just, even if it's a thought, just do it. Actions speak louder than words. If you just talk about things, it's just never gonna happen. So, you don't know what you have until it's gone, you know what I'm saying? So if you at least try, if you just at least try, you know what to do next time if you fail. Failure is the best teacher ever. So just try to do something to motivate you to keep going. And then just, if you're not used to it, if you're not something that you don't know about, do your research, do your due diligence, check out what it is that you're trying to get into. My passion is cars, obviously, so buy, flip cars, and, build cars. But, some people, they're just scared because a couple of our friends, I'm telling them, I don't want to throw his name out there, but Dorian is just like, he's a very good guy, you know what I'm saying? So he's just like, oh, I don't know, I should do it this way, I should play it safe, basically. And I'm just like, man, it's okay, step out there. And we found a car for him. We found his Corvette. We found Dorian C5's Corvette. He'd been wanting that forever. He didn't think it's gonna happen. We even got the deal done. We got the deal at a good price. And it's a beautiful car. It's exactly what he wanted. So it was cool to see him actually feel that. Be there with him for that experience and actually see him actually excited, you know what I'm saying, and actually overwhelmed with with joy because he got it. So I felt good about that. So I'm really happy for Dorian, man. I'm very happy for him, and he's a really good person. So I want to definitely get more content of us going out, doing more things. We got to get functioning. We got to start getting out to the car meets. We got to start showing face. You know what I'm saying? Stuff is on the way. So it's the process right now. We started to pick up, and we have a huge thing that we're about to do. I'm gonna keep that on the back burner for now, but I'm gonna let you guys know, update how everything goes. We have a meeting on the 5th and see how everything goes. Everything goes good, then we're just gonna be on and pop. So I'm ready, I'm excited, love you guys. I hope that everybody enjoys these videos and enjoys what we're doing. And we're growing, we're meeting people every day, you know what I'm saying? So it's cool to see everyone kind of, they're seeing what we're doing, even just us showing them the little things here and there. And they're gravitating to it, they're coming to it. So, they say if you build it, they'll come. And that's what we're doing. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jay Bricks. We back out here, man. So, been busy, been very busy. Been traveling for work. I've been all over the place, you know what I'm saying? I even got my work shirt on. But I'm here with Levi and Carson.
What's up?
My boy Aiden, my new camera guy, you know what I'm saying? We're about to do some big things, man. So, I just got an ICE 300. We haven't even told y'all about this yet. This is the new project that we're gonna join with the team on the channel. So, but it's having little issues right now. It's not starting. We don't know what's going on. It starts, but it's dying. It's not staying on. So, Levi, he has a shop, and he's Aiden's boy. You know what I'm saying, man? He's now our homeboy. So we're gonna give him a shot. We're gonna see what he can do. He said he can fix it. He works on cars too. They're very passionate about cars. So we're going to give them a chance, an opportunity. We're all about space and opportunity. Give people a chance, you know what I'm saying? Brick by brick, remember? So we want to put this together. We want to get this car running. I got a really good deal on this. It came from Laredo. Shout out to my boy Derek, man. He really looked out. And he even delivered it, dropped it off. So that's even better. So we got this. We got the G37. I just got a G37. On the fence on what I'm going to do with that yet. But we got a lot of content coming. stay tuned. Very excited. Been busy, but we've been busy for a reason. We're about to put all these cars on the street. We really got to show San Antonio what we're about and the world. You know what I'm saying? So I'm excited, man. But my baby's in his hands right now.
Yes, sir.
So we're gonna see what's up. Get it running. Something very simple, but nothing too major that he has to really worry about. But we'll see what's up. See what he could do, and then we're gonna put him to work on a lot more of the cars that we got. So, and then update on the S14. I haven't forgot. Parts are coming. They're gonna be here. Mind the mess in the garage is horrible right now, but we got a lot of shit coming. Yeah. So Apes in the garage, man. We've been busy, but all this is about to make a lot of sense. So patience. Be patient with me. We just want to get some content out there. Start getting Aiden's feet wet. Trying to start so we could get our groove. So we could, we could be on the same page. So I think we're gonna be good. I think we're in good hands. Aiden's quality, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to him. Make sure y'all go check out his Instagram. He'll put his link down for his Instagram, put all their Instagram down so they can check it out. Go follow me at Bricks on Instagram and Apeshit Garage. And then we're gonna get the TikTok rolling. He's gonna be doing our TikTok and all our social media. So we're gonna get him all geared up on everything. So we're gonna be all right. So I think that we made the right decision.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna be good.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We got
some time and some work to put in. So
Yeah. And these boys are crazy too. They got a lot of stuff that they do also.
whole bunch of ideas.
Yeah. So they love trucks. So we want to get.
We like turbos.
Yeah. That's all. That's car community. Everything is all on the same level field. We all are car people. If it's trucks or cars, but we all get it. We all come together. We all build as a team, which that's what I love about the car community. So yeah, I'm excited, man. So, yeah, but lock in, stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, holla at your boy, man. We're gonna be doing some crazy shit.